Ever wondered how to change your car's oil at home? It's a task that might seem daunting, but with the right tools and a little guidance, it's entirely within your grasp. You'll need a few things, including the correct type and amount of oil for your vehicle, a new oil filter, an oil filter wrench, a socket wrench, a drain pan, a funnel, gloves, safety glasses, and possibly a car jack and jack stands or ramps. Also, have a piece of cardboard or newspaper on hand to keep the ground clean, and rags or paper towels for cleanup. Begin by parking your car on a level surface and turning off the engine. Make sure the car is secure and the engine has cooled if it has been running. If needed, lift your car with a jack and secure it with jack stands or drive it onto ramps. Next, locate the oil drain plug and filter. They are typically found on the underside of the engine. Consult your vehicle's manual if you're unsure where to find them. Place your drain pan under the oil drain plug. Open the hood and remove the oil fill cap on top of the engine, then unscrew the drain plug and let the oil drain completely into the pan. Now, it's time to replace the oil filter. Use the oil filter wrench to loosen the old oil filter, then screw the new filter into place by hand. Before installing the new oil filter, apply a little new oil to the rubber seal. Once the old oil has drained, replace and tighten the drain plug. Then, place the funnel in the oil fill hole and pour in the correct amount and type of oil for your vehicle. After adding the new oil, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to check for leaks. Turn off the engine and check the oil level using the dipstick. Finally, remember to dispose of the old oil and filter properly and keep a record of the oil change. Always consult your car's manual for any specific requirements related to your vehicle. Be cautious if the engine was recently running, as the oil may be hot. And that's it. You've just changed your car's oil at home. It's not as intimidating as it sounds, right? With a bit of practice, you'll be doing this with your eyes closed. Well, not literally, safety first, always.